So good morning, no, mga kabayan. This is being Fat Biker, and again, if you're first time to tune in to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and pati yung bell icon na rin para every week you will see all my weekly YouTube videos. Okay, kamakailan lang, no, lockdown, wala tayong magawa. Yung sasakyan hindi naman makatakbo ng malayo. Wala tayong ginawa kundi kinalikot ko yung sasakyan natin. So, ang kasamang palad, after ng kinalikot ko, may lumabas, nag-check engine. Ito po yung check engine, no? Papakita ko sa inyo. So, yung kabayan, no? Nakita nyo, no? May check engine na lumabas. Yan, kakakalikot ko kasi. So, ngayon, gusto kong i-resolve tong check engine na to. Ayaw kong dalhin sa kasa, ayaw kong dalhin sa, sa talyer muna. Baka kaya nating ma-resolve ba. Kasi pag check engine, baka yariin tayo sa presyo. Baka minimum 1,000 o 2,000 pesos lang, checking lang, yari na tayo. So, may ginawa tayo, no? May binili tayong item. So, at kakalkalin natin to, susubukan natin kung mawawala ba o ma-resolve tong check engine sa sasakyan natin. So, yung mga kabayan, nakita nyo, no? Check engine. So, yan. Kasi kalkal tayo ng kalkal doon sa ating makina kahit walang problema. Ito yung nilinis ko siya. So, bottom line, let's resolve it. No, may binili tayong gadget. Okay? Ito pong OBD Mate OM500. Ano ba to? Para saan ba to? So watch my next following video. Okay? Let's get it on, guys.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
So guys, no, ito yung ating nabili na OBD scanner. Okay, ang purpose nito is to read and clear the error codes of our respective cars. Again, dalawa ang uri ng OBD scanner, OBD1 and OBD2. So, yung OBD2, yan yung mga sasakyan, okay, all those cars, SUV, okay, trucks from 1996 model up to present. Okay, again ang OBD2 type ng scanner ay applicable only for 1996 model vehicle up to present. Okay? Kung ang inyong cars, SUV are below 1996, you need to purchase an OBD scanner na OBD1. Okay? OBD1. Take note of that one. Okay? So ito yung binili natin. Let's review or let's unbox then later. Isalpak na natin doon sa ating sasakyan na may engine, check engine, and let's see what will happen. Okay, this is an OBD2, okay, by OBD Mate OM500. So, paano ba ito kinakabit? Theoretical, tingnan muna natin, and later on, application tayo. Okay, manual, okay, manual, and then ito na mismo. Okay, as you can see. So hindi mo siya mabubuhay. Kailangan nakasalpak doon mismo sa sasakyan. Doon manggagaling supply. Okay, pag isinalpak to, okay, pag once we connect this one, okay, sa auto natin, okay, using this one, okay, the DLC connector. Okay, so DLC is this is the data link connector. Okay, this is a male type. So, sa respective na sasakyan natin, nyo ay may DLC connector din siya na female. So, doon ipapasok to. Okay? Mostly, makikita mo yung DLC connector, 16 pins po yun under your steering wheel sa ilalim. Okay? So, may manual siya. Ang manual naman is more on English. English din naman. So, take note. Caution. Okay? Caution, caution, caution. Okay? Huwag nyo rektang ikakabit ito habang naka switch on ang ignition at running yung engine. No, okay? So take note, pag ikakabit natin to, pag ikakabit natin tong OBD2 scanner ay off nyo muna. Okay, make sure the ignition is off, engine is off. Okay? Sabi nga dyan sa manual, kung babasahin, standard lang din to. Ipasok nyo muna to once you found your DLC connector in your car, is set na natin doon, salpak. Okay? And then, gusto nating basahin, okay? Switch on the ignition. Okay? Kahit yung ignition lang naka-on, tapos naka-engine off, pwede na. May supply nito, mababasa natin yung error codes ng check engine nyo at sasabihin niya kung anong exact error. Okay? So, and then, kapag papatayin din naman, o tapos na kayo, make sure i-off din and then hilahin nyo. Okay? Take note of that one. Okay. Same din sa process ng nito ng erase. Okay, yung kanina kasi, okay, from the start again turn off ang ignition, turn off ang engine. Papasok natin to sa DLC connector, then switch on ang ignition. Switch on ang ignition lang. Then mababasa natin ang error codes, okay? Ang error codes. And then after reading before you go to read the codes, you need to select anong car model kayo. Okay? Anong car brand? Nissan, Toyota, Honda, etc. etc. After that one, you will now able to press the read. Okay? Press the read. And then, it will read the error. After that one, okay? Make sure, same process din ang gagawin kapag mag-erase. Okay? So, pag ang ginawa natin is, mag-erase na tayo. Alam natin may error code talaga. Okay? Same again. Switch off ang engine. Okay? Switch off ang ignition. Then, ipasok to. Okay? Switch sa DLC connector. And then, make sure pag selpak natin to, naka-switch off pa, and then pag ready naka-setup na, switch on the ignition. Okay? And then, okay, na-read mo na nga, may error. Then, go to the erase. Click erase. Then, they will ask you yes or no. And then, that's it. Then, clear ang error. Okay? Mukhang ganun kasimple lang. Okay? The check engine error in your dashboard dapat mawawala na. Okay? So, tara, punta tayo sa parking area. Ikabit natin to at try nating erase yung error code ng check engine. Okay guys, let's get it on. Tara guys, no? Start pa natin yung OBD2 scanner natin. Okay, so first isanapin muna natin yung saan ba makikita yung DLC connector, sinasabi ko. Okay, so dito lang connector. So, steering wheel, okay, makita nyo sa ilalim, ito yun. Okay, and then as you can see, ito yan yung 16 pin na DLC connector. So for sure safety, yung caution natin, hindi nakasaksak yung susi. So ito yung ating scanner naman, no? Sasalpak natin dito muna. Oops. Ayan. Okay. So makikita nyo, no? Sana malinaw. Makikita nyo na nagkaroon na ng power yung ating OBD scanner. Okay, as you can see, no? So ito na yung next step. Bubuksan na natin yung ignition on. Okay, so nakasalpak na yung ating OBD2 scanner, no? Sakyan sa via DLC. Okay, so now enter na daw tayo sa main menu. Press enter. Okay, then diagnostic setup, diagnostic codes. So ito na mismo, mamimili tayo ang sakyan mo. So sa akin, Nissan. Okay, yun, Nissan, and then enter. So read codes tayo, no? Read codes kasi may check engine tayo eh. Dapat basahin natin. So take note naka ignition on lang tayo. Ignition on. Oh, aba. So kita nyo, yung kanina lang meron tayong check engine, pero pinasok natin, ni-read natin, so automatic, parang na-erase niya na, automatic na. So that means, so looks okay this one. Kasi minsan kasi interpreted lang. So and then later on, pag may nabasa ka dito, next is, ang pupuntahan mo is etong erase code. Okay? Yung erase code na yan. Pag kinlik mo yan, and then tatanungin ka, and then to erase, then it's done. Okay? So kaya sinabi dito kanina, wala nang error code. So let's turn on the car, ignition on, engine on, and let's see kung wala na yung check engine. But again, bubunutin natin itong ating OBD scanner. So make sure naka-switch off ang ignition. Okay? So if done already, exit ka lang, exit, and that's the main menu. Okay, and then turn off natin ang ignition. Oops, off, bunot ang susi. Okay, so ngayon tingnan natin yung dashboard ng sakyan kung meron pa ring check engine. So switch ignition on. Okay, ignition on. Okay, ignition on, and then okay, engine on. So makikita nyo, okay, as you can see, wala na yung check engine. Okay, wala na. So that means it works. Itong ating legit tong ating OBD2 scanner or OBD scanner, no? So kung magpapa read and erase kayo talyer kaysa sa may kasa, baka singili kayo minimum 2,000 o 1,000 pesos, no? So kaya kung sino yung mga kilala ko dyan, no, pwede na kayo magpa-read ng inyong mga check engine error. Starbucks na lang bayad nyo sa akin. Okay, so this is the end of my video and hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, BNFat Buyer Studio, and see you again in our next gadget review. Let's get it on, guys.